Oh boys, we're back out at the spot today. Got the KLX over here and the YZ. What are we gonna take out first? I think we're gonna get the YZ. I had a little scare with this thing, honestly. Last time I had it at Busco Beach, I haven't ridden it in like a month, honestly, but it was it took like a minute to start. I don't know if it was just out of gas or what was the deal with it, or if the spark plug came a little bit off, but she's been running good today. I thought she might need to top in, so I'm happy. She's running good. Woo! Just plugged the mic in. Realized I didn't have it plugged in for my intro. Woo! But we're out here at the little local spot with the KX. What am I talking about? No KX. Well, he's got the KX with the YZ and the KLX. But what I was saying though is I'm happy this YZ is running good. Last time it's been about a month since I rode it, and last time when I was at Busco Beach, it was a little bit funny. For just like a minute or two, it wouldn't start. I don't know if I got a little mud speck in the spark plug or what it is, but unplugged it and plugged it back in, and it's been running good. That root is sticking out where you gotta go with that. It's wet out here today. And that root is sticking out right where I'm trying to go for that jump. Let's do a start. Practice start.
I don't got no launch control. That shit broken.
I don't got no launch control. That should only slow you down.
I go right here.
You don't want to go? You want to go right there? All right. You got to go.
Me?
Yeah, give us a little start.
Feeding him. Like feeding his ass.
That was a close one right there. He might have got me on that one. I don't even know. I was slipping off the start a little more.
Hey, that was a good one.
I was slipping off the start a little more on that spot.
Yeah, you did slip out. He was digging that time.
That's that new tire right there. All right, race 3. That was neck and neck there. Whew, just had a little false alarm, thought I lost my keys, went all over, looked all over for about 40 minutes probably. Then I found them in my truck. I was scavenging the trails, worried, but we're good, we're good. Let's get some more laps in. Got a hole in my glove. Holy shit. muddy out here today. I guess it's been raining a lot this past, like later this week, but it's drying up. All right, now we're going on a little longer trail where we got to go venture off a little bit more. It's a nice little trail. It's probably the only one that doesn't have like any puddles or isn't completely muddy and everything. So go hit that. Holy cow, this thing flies. Muddy spot to get there. And that's pretty much the end of that trail. Oh, word, a little jump. Mulch pile. Might be better going this way. I'm gonna go right up this mulch pile. Nah, we gone. What? Holy shit. And now we go back. A little jump. Whoa, got sideways on that thing. Got a little sketchy. Oh my god. It's flooded down there. Yeah, no. That's hey, I don't know if I'll make it through that. Whoa, okay. Yeah.